Hi, I'm Allie, and this is Allie's Corner. Today we're going to be simplifying expressions, specifically by collecting like terms and by using the distributive property. So, now let's look at a sample expression. Here, the first thing I notice is that there's parentheses, which means I'm going to have to use the distributive property, and then I'm going to collect like terms. So, here we have 2 times the quantity x plus 1 minus 3 times the quantity 2x minus 2. So we're going to use the distributive property to distribute this 2 throughout this whole expression. So 2 times x plus 2 times 1 minus, this is 3 times 2x. And then you have 3 times a negative 2, but you have to be careful because you have another minus. So you have minus 3 times negative 2. Now, this simplifies to 2x plus 2 minus 6x plus 6. Now, the next step is to collect the like terms, so the terms with the x's and the terms without the x's in this case. So you have 2x minus 6, here we're just rearranging the expression, plus 2 plus 6. These go together, and these go together. So your final expression is going to be negative 4x plus 8. Now, let's take a look at another expression. Here, we have 3 times the quantity x minus 6 minus the quantity 4x plus 1. So the first step is the distributive property. Now, you have to remember, looking at this segment, that you're actually going to distribute a negative 1 throughout this whole expression, just like you distribute a 3 throughout this one. We do 3 times x plus 3 times negative 6. And then here we're going to try to add a negative 1 times 4x and a negative 1 times 1. So plus negative 1 times 4x plus negative 1 times 1. And there we've used the distributive property on both parts of the expression. Now, to simplify. 3x minus 18 minus 4x minus 1. Now, here's the second step, collecting like terms. 3x and negative 4x are like terms. So we're going to rearrange the equation with them next to each other, just like negative 18 and negative 1 are like terms. So 3x minus 4x is negative x, and negative 18 minus 1 is negative 19. And we have the final simplified expression of negative x minus 19. So remember, when you're simplifying expressions, use the distributive property and then collect like terms. That's all for now. See you next time on Allie's Corner.